If you're thinking about investing in Sprout Social for your social media management and analytics, there are a few key things you need to know before making a decision. With so many options available, it's important to understand how Sprout Social stacks up against the competition, especially when tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and others are also on the market. First off, Sprout Social's user interface is clean and intuitive. Unlike other platforms that can feel overwhelming, Sprout makes navigating between different sections smooth and easy. Whether you're a beginner or experienced marketer, you'll find it user-friendly. Next thing to consider is the social listening feature. Sprout Social excels here, offering detailed insights and the ability to monitor keywords and hashtags across platforms. If you're comparing it to other tools like Hootsuite, you'll see Sprout's listening tools provide much deeper insights into your brand sentiment and competitor performance. The third thing is their scheduling and publishing features. Sprout Social offers advanced scheduling options that allow you to queue posts for the optimal time. Unlike Buffer, which is simpler, Sprout Social lets you target specific times, and you get a preview of how your posts will look on different platforms. Moving on to analytics, the fourth thing you should know. Sprout Social's analytics tools are top tier. While platforms like Buffer may offer basic reports, Sprout gives you detailed reports on engagement, growth, and even competitor analysis. If you're looking for an all-in-one analytics solution, Sprout really shines here. The fifth thing is Sprout's collaboration tools. If you have a team, Sprout Social has a solid suite of tools for collaborating on posts, assigning tasks, and tracking progress. Hootsuite offers something similar, but Sprout's interface is more streamlined and integrates better with your team's workflow. Next up, the reporting. Sprout's reporting is customizable and allows you to track social media KPIs easily. The reports can be broken down by platform or by specific campaigns, which makes it more powerful than some competitors like Buffer, which only offers a basic overview. The seventh thing to note is the customer support. Sprout Social has a great reputation for its support team, providing quick responses via live chat and a comprehensive knowledge base. Compared to tools like Hootsuite, where users sometimes report slower response times, Sprout excels in this department. For the eighth thing, let's talk about Sprout's mobile app. The mobile experience is solid, though not as feature-packed as the desktop version. Still, it allows you to manage your accounts, schedule posts, and monitor engagement, which is something Hootsuite users often wish for from their mobile app. The ninth thing you'll notice is the price. Sprout Social is on the more expensive side compared to alternatives like Buffer or Hootsuite. However, you're paying for the additional features and the advanced analytics that Sprout offers, so if you need those, it might be worth the investment. The 10th thing to keep in mind is its integration options. Sprout Social connects with a wide range of platforms, from Google Analytics to Facebook, Instagram, and even HubSpot. While Hootsuite is good with integrations, Sprout has a more extensive list, which can be a huge advantage for businesses looking to connect all their tools. The 11th thing is the ability to manage multiple profiles. Sprout Social handles multiple accounts seamlessly. If you're managing several social media accounts across different brands, Sprout Social makes it easy to toggle between accounts without feeling cluttered, something that's not as straightforward on Buffer. Lastly, Sprout Social offers a free trial, allowing you to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs. While its pricing may be high, you can gauge its value during the trial period to determine if it's worth the investment. Sprout Social is a solid option for anyone serious about social media management and analytics. However, if you're looking for a more affordable solution with similar features, we recommend checking out our alternative, which you can try for free.